So our crew kind of struggled backing this trailer down, and now they're struggling a little bit to get these skis off. We've got one pushed off, but this guy can't figure out how to get it started. He's gonna have to do the little push off the boat while he tries to work on that one. And it looks like we're gonna try and get this red one off as well, but it took him about 10 minutes to get the trailer back down the ramp. And now we're struggling, it looks like, to try and get the red ski off. So our guy on the blue ski did get it figured out, and he got that one started, but man, these guys are really struggling on getting this thing going. But welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ranch channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back down here at the ramp, and today we are back over at Boynton. And so these guys are kind of giving it hell. This thing's got to have the rear strap on, or the bow eye strap, one of the two. I mean, there is something holding this thing there. There's no way, the amount of times they just shook that it didn't budge at all. And I mean, they're really, like, they're pulling and pushing on it. Like, it's, I mean, my man's readjusting, but bro, this is not going anywhere. Oh, man. These guys got a lot more patience than I have, because I'll be honest, like, it took them quite some time to get this trailer down here. And if I was having the struggles they're having right now, I would quite possibly just give up. I mean, but they're determined, that's for sure. So we're gonna see how they try and pull this one off. But man, I mean, it's, you gotta figure this one out, bro. I mean, the ski weighs like 700 pounds. It's obviously in a floating position in the rear. I mean, it's bouncing up and down. And you can kind of hear our camera guy Seth telling them to back this up, but there's just no way. I think once they back it up, we'll really realize it's one of two things is going to happen. Either this stern's going to go underwater a little bit, or this trailer's going to float. And that would be your real sign that we know something's wrong. And so they're backing it up, and as we can tell, the stern's going underwater a little bit. So, yeah, that rear strap is absolutely 100% on this ski. Now, the only real question about that is, how long does it take them to figure out that the rear strap is on the ski? We're going back to this method again. Oh, man. This is rough to watch. Oh, man, real rough to watch.
Oh, no, the girl.
I mean, come on, bros. You have to figure this one out now. I mean, the ski is sitting on the trailer, like, mangled almost now. You can tell it's barely on the trailer. It's leaning at some funky angles. You've got to realize that it's somehow stuck. And we finally do give up. Man, this was almost 10 minutes, I think, of these guys trying to push this thing off of this trailer. So they finally determined that it looks like we're going to pull out. And I gotta imagine we're gonna see a strap underneath the rear of the ski. Whoa! He almost sent my man off the ski. Oh my gosh, guys. Guys, I wouldn't even want to get on the ski after this. Like, I would just be done for the day. I'd be like, bro, somebody take me someplace where I can get an adult beverage and relax. And yeah, they've got the strap on there, but I have to imagine this strap is all kinds of jacked up now. I mean, they just spent 10 minutes or so pushing and pulling this ski around, and there's just no way that this is going to be an easy fix now. I mean, I got to imagine, I can see the skis pushed off the back already. So I've got to imagine it's put an extreme amount of tension on that line. So what they really need to do here is they're trying to get it to free up, but the easiest way to get this free now is to go up to that bow winch winch this ski back up on the trailer, and it's gonna release the tension in that line, and then they should be able to get this thing out of here. We do have somebody approaching on the other dock, and he's coming in at a funky angle. It looks like he's struggling a little bit. The wind and current's got him, but we're kind of getting shot blocked by the tree over here. And as you can tell, if you look to the far right as well, this guy's power loading, so he's also sending more current toward this boater's direction. And yeah, they're just struggling to get over here onto the dock. Oh, he's got to hit the brake. Now our guys who are on the ski are like, what's going on over here? And our captain's going to have to back out. But once again, he's only going to come into the wash of this other vessel that's power loading over here on the other side, and it's just going to kind of mess him up a little bit more again. But these guys, yeah, they really got to get up there. They're going to have to winch this ski back up. That's the only way they're getting this thing where they can get that line free. But our cap's got his engine trouble. Oh, no, he's backing up hard. There's rocks and sand over here, bro. He's calling it close. Ooh, oh, man, we're shot blocked, but that sounded like mud. So our guys have been at this for a few minutes now. They did finally figure out they needed to winch this up, and all of a sudden, as I talked about, it released the tension on the line, and now they're able to get it off and hopefully able to get out of here. But our captain's been struggling to get on the dock, and it appears he's decided he's going to take the dock they're at. He's been watching these guys play around for several minutes up here and kind of has come to the determination he doesn't care, and he's going into it. These guys are telling him to back up and just to give him a minute. But our captain, yeah, he's going for it anyway. So Cap's left the helm. These guys are trying to back out. Oh, man. This one's just unbelievable. Okay. Oh, Cap. Cap almost falls in. He makes the leap and lands it. But now they're blocking these guys who've been literally battling for about 20 minutes to get this jet ski launched. But Cap was just watching him doing it, and after sitting out in the water for a few minutes, realized that they were kind of getting nowhere and just decided he didn't care, and he was going to go ahead and run up here anyway. So our Cap's going to tie off. I'm assuming these guys aren't, I mean, they're determined enough at this point, there's no way they're not launching this ski. So we're not even going to back this truck down anymore. They're just going to pull it from here. Yeah, guys, you're probably going to have to bring that truck down a little bit, but once again, we're shot blocked now. I can't see how far down they are. Unbelievable, man. This one is nuts. Oh, no, he got it off. They were able to push it off from right there. He's got the ski started, and this, man, I'd have to go look at the timestamps, but this is probably very close. I would say it took them somewhere in the 10 to 15 minute range to back the trailer down. This was easily another 15 minutes here. 30 minutes to launch a ski. Crazy. Oh, she got stuck. She's pushed off on the dock, and now we've got the bow rail splits to close this out. Oh, man. These guys have had some fun over at Beer Can Island today, that's for sure. And she's calling her friend like, hey, can you pull me back in? And she's going to hook her up. But, yeah, she... 1 foot on the dock, 1 foot on the boat, and that was all it took. And a bow rail in the middle to kind of help balance it all out. Man, crazy last 40 minutes down here. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.